Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely students and my angels. You are welcome into Pakistan International School's virtual learning system. I am your teacher, Mrs. Cash, with the 47th recorded lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn backward counting. Can you tell me what is backward counting? Backward counting is when you write the number in the reverse way. Okay, usually when we write number, we write from 1 to onward, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, such way. This is called counting or counting up. But when you write it the opposite way, like from 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, then such counting is this sequence of counting is known as a backward counting. In or for in fourth spell, the backward counting is included from 80 onward. Okay. So in today's lesson, we would practice backward counting from 80 to 70. Come on, join me in backward counting and say loudly after me. Repeat it, okay? 80. What comes up before 80? 79. And before 79, 78, 77, 76, 75. And what comes before 75? 74, 73, 72, and 71, 70. Let's do it once again. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, and 70. So this is a backward counting, and it is today's your homework. Write it down in your notebooks. In today's lesson, we are going to solve again related to the time. So I had put some more lesson, okay? Okay, my lovely student is, what happened to my screen? Where does my screen go? Let me fix it. My PowerPoint just go disappear. Here it is. What happened to it? I really don't know. I think I have pushed some wrong button. Okay. Now, when you look at the clock, around the edge there are numbers from 1 to 12. This hand is known as overhand, while this hand is known as a minute hand. There are 12 points from 1 to 12. Okay, 1 with a short hand is known as overhand, while the long hand is known as a long hand. When this our hand point towards the number, it means this is that time. For example, now 3 o'clock. Now these are minute hand, but we are not going to make it complicated for you. We will just stick to the overhand, okay? Because this much is included in your lesson, and we would repeat, and we are going to repeat this. Come on. What time is it? 3 o'clock. What time is it? 4 o'clock. What time is it? 5 o'clock. What time is it? Repeat after me. 6 o'clock. What time is it? 7 o'clock. What time is it? 8 o'clock. What time is it? 9 o'clock. What time is it? 10 o'clock. What time is it? 11 o'clock. What time is it? 12 o'clock. What time is it? Now we will do the letter part. Here. This one was more interesting. What time is it? 10 o'clock. What time is it? 3 o'clock. What time is it? 9 o'clock. What time is it? 7 o'clock. What time is it? 1 o'clock. What time is it? 4 o'clock. What time is it? 6 o'clock. What time is it? 12 o'clock. What time is it? 2 o'clock. What time is it? 8 o'clock. What time is it? 11 o'clock. What time is it? 10 o'clock. What time is it? 3 o'clock. What time is it? 9 o'clock. What time is it? 7 o'clock. What time is it? 1 o'clock. What time is it? 4 o'clock. What time is it? 6 o'clock. What time is it? 12 o'clock. What time is it? 2 o'clock. What time is it? 8 o'clock. What time is it? 11 o'clock. What time is it? 10 o'clock. What time is it? 3 o'clock. This was a great practice. Now, what we are going to do today, in our today's lesson, we have another page from GABA book page 103. Finally, we can see the number here. Now look here, it's written down 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. And then the watches are given here. We are going to match this time with the correct watch. How we are going to do, for example, 6 o'clock. Now search, is this 6th hour? The overhand is pointed towards 5, so it is not 5 o'clock. Look here, the hour hand is pointed towards 1, so it is not 6 o'clock. Here the hour hand is pointed toward 4. Here it's pointed towards 3. Here towards 2. Here's 12. And here it is. So match the 6 o'clock with this clock. Yes. Now this go with this. Now 3 o'clock. Now the hour hand, match the hour hand with the time, 3 o'clock. Now 8 o'clock. Match the hour hand, 8 o'clock. Now this is 5, 1, this is 4 o'clock. Here it is 12, here is 8 o'clock. So match this statement with this. 5 o'clock. Here is it is this watch goes with this. Now 1 o'clock. Here it is 1. The hour hand is pointed towards 1. So this watch go with this statement. Why okay. This is 2 o'clock and here the hour hand is pointed towards 2. So this watch go with this statement. And this one we go to with this one. Now 12 o'clock, here it is. Both the hour and 12 hand is pointed towards 12. So it is 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Now here the hour hand is pointed towards 4. So it is 4 o'clock. See how easy it is. So my lovely students, it is very easy for you now to tell what the time it is. You can at least look at the hour hand and you can tell it is 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, normally your lessons are on air 5 o'clock. Okay, so you better look at the time, and now if you look at the time, it would be 5 o'clock. So my lovely student, it is very easy and simple, and we did the two activities. I hope you find it fun and enjoyed it as much as a fun. Try to enjoy your lessons and develop special kind of love for your lessons so better you can enjoy, and then you will discover more. Okay, you will not only learn it, and but you will discover something more behind every number and behind every alphabet. There is a lot more word behind it. If you going to take interest, then you will discover more. It will be not like other people. If a people give attention to their lesson, if the one person give proper attention to their lesson while the other does not, and then they both memorize their lesson, both are not same. Okay, these words have words, and these numbers have magic inside them. If you pay the attention and give them love, they will reveal themselves to you. Okay, and and be good to your mothers, listen to everyone, do your works on time, and be a good person. If you are a good person with a good heart, then the knowledge will be showered on your hearts. Okay, my lovely student, with this small note, I would say goodbye. Inshallah, I see you in the next lesson.